really. Hello guys. I don't know what I need to do. Going to do today, but I'm kind of bored. And last night was insane. My brother went out there. It's my brother Simon. He went out there and videoed it. Yeah. And it was actually crazy. The thunderstorm and everything. I'm sorry if the sun's a bit, what's it called? Blocking you. It was actually insane, and I was actually surprised. I could not even get back. I could not even go to sleep until it stopped. And I told Olivia I'll try and make a video, and I'm a bit too busy, so I won't be doing it until Saturday. So sorry guys if you want to watch more, but if you're new, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and have a great day. And because it's going to be hot today, and there's a pool kept up again, and I'm picking up grass ready, and I'll show you around the garden again, because I didn't know that you see it properly. Slowly. This is what I have. And all that. Pool. The pool's a bit misty. What the hell? Yeah. If you like the video, guys,